Yes, very good morning, students. Today we will see exercise 1E. In last exercise, another next question is fill in the blanks, and simple one-liner word problems are there that you have to try and you have to solve. Okay, if doubts if you are having in that 1D exercise, then you can share with me, you can let me know, we will sort out your doubts. Okay. So in this exercise, question number first, represent the numbers on number line. We have to show these numbers on number line, right? So everybody should know first what is number line and how its representation. Here in between 0 will come. Right side of the 0 all numbers are positive. 1, 2, 3 dot 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 up to infinity, up to so on. Okay, and left side of the 0 all numbers are negative. -1, -2, -3 dot 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 up to infinity. This is the number line in front of you. Okay, right side of the 0 all numbers are positive and left side negative. Okay, keep in mind this. After that we have to show 3 by 7 on this number line. So how it will be? Up to now we were representing by simplest form, by simple only, with a dotted line. So here something different I'll tell you, comparing with fraction. Okay, so 3 by 7 I have to put on this number line. So 3 by 7, is there negative integers or negative rational number or positive rational number? Obviously it is positive, no minus sign is there. So right side of the 0 it will come. So I'll put 0 here, no problem, because it will come right side of the 0. Okay, so in fraction, if you learned last year or that last year I think so, 3 by 7 means total part is 7 out of 3 parts, like this we were shading, right? Total how many parts? 7 parts. So 7 parts we have to put here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, 1 parts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts. Okay, so what I want? 3 by 7. Here it is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, listen, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and 7 by 7. 7 by 7 means your 1. So this number is in between 0 and 1, right? If you divide this number 3 by 7, you will get the answer like 0 point something, 0.123, like this you will get. Means it is larger than 0, larger than 0 but less than 1, so that it is in between 0 and 1. So see here, I told you we made there 7 parts. Okay, like this you have to do. And third part, which is third part, first, second and third part. So this is your 3 by 7. See here 7 by 7 means 1. So obviously it comes in between 0 and 1. Like this you have to draw. If it is minus, then it was coming at left side of the 0, right? Getting my point? Okay, like this you have to do, and other questions you have to solve. Okay, now find rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay, for example, rational numbers between -2 and 2, if they are telling. So simply how we can find in between these two numbers? 0 here, -1, -2, 1, 2, like this. Okay, so we want -2 and 2. In between how many numbers are there? -2 and 2. In between -1, 0 and 1 will be there. Okay, this we can find, but if it is coming like this in fraction, so how we have to find the rational number between these two terms. Okay, so what we have to do, right, as it is 1 by 5 and 2 by 3, in between we have to find. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to same their denominator. Okay, here 5, here 3, can we same? Obviously we can same. 3 multiply numerator and denominator, 5 multiply numerator and denominator. Here see here 1 by 5 into 3, in denominator also into 3, and 2 by 3 into this 5 we have to multiply 5. Okay, 3 ones are 3 divided by 5 threes are 15, and 2 fives are 10 divided by 3 fives are 15. Okay, so denominator same. So we have to find the numbers between these two terms. Is therefore rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 is. Okay, you have to write at last numbers are which after 3, 4 by 15, 5 by 15, 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by 15, and 9 by 15. 9 by 15 after 10 by 15 given. We have to find in between this. Okay, so after 3, 4 by 15, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 by 15. These are the numbers between these two terms. That type we have to find. Okay, if I have written here, we have to find two rational numbers. They are not mentioned how many rational numbers we have to find. Sometimes they can ask find the 10 rational numbers between these two terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So how 10 possible? It will be possible. So see here, two rational number between -4 and -3. See from this example, -4 and -3. Is there any value there? If you consider this number line 0, -1, -2, after that -3 and -4, continuously it will be. So then also we have to find two rational numbers, they said here. Okay, so how it will be? See, -4 as it is, and okay, I have written already here. What you have to do? You have to multiply by 10, multiply by 100, multiply by 1000, no issue. Okay, you have to multiply and divide. -4 into 10 divided by 10. Is there any changes in this value? 10 will cut. Answer is -4 only. So no issue. And -3 into 10 divided by 10. We multiplied by 10 and divide by 10. So what? -4 into 10, -40 by 10, and -30 by 10. So only two they were asking. In between these two, minus 30, -40, in between -31, -32, -33, -34 up to -39. These are the values in between these two terms. Like this you have to find. If they ask 20 rational number, then into 100 numerator, into 100 here, divided by 100, like this you can do. Okay, so they can ask thousands of numbers also. So you should know how to multiply numerators and denominator, then you will get the particular required number. Okay, so hopefully this all concepts with this question number first and second, this got it. If again any doubts will be there, then you can let me know, we will sort out. Okay, thank you.